Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up two-step verification in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now, it's interesting to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its consumers' needs. Now, Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to set up two-step verification in here. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner where you have this hi, add your name. And you're going to find this extended menu. So from this extended menu, scroll all the way down to where you have account settings and click on account settings. Now you have three categories: your info, account security, and connections. Head over to account security and you're going to see email addresses, change your password, set up two-step verification, remember devices, and passkey. So click on set up two-step verification. Now this is how to get started, two ways. To get started, choose how you get security codes. Number one, by text message. So get security codes sent to you by text message, or you can use the Authenticator app. Now get security codes from an Authenticator app that you download. Some examples: Google Authenticator, Dual Mobile, Authy. So go ahead and click on get codes by app and go through the processes to get your code by app. Or you can click on get codes by text, and once you click on get code by text, you're going to have to add the phone number that you will need to get your text done. Okay. I need to sign in. So you can be prompted for you to sign in again because Best Buy security conscious. So here you have to enter your phone number that we use to text or to send the security code to you. So enter your phone number and click on continue. Now this is not a real phone number. So once you click on continue, that's going to be it. You'll be able to set up your two-step verification with text message, with the text message option. So click on get codes by app for you to connect your authenticator application to this. So this is the enter this key to your authenticator app, and this is what you're going to do: scan this QR code with your phone or enter this key, use any of the options and click on submit. So here you have the, once you do any of that, you're going to see the 6-digit security code you enter by your phone. So enter the 6-digit security code after using any of these options. And once you get the 6-digit security code, click on submit and you'll be able to set up that using the authenticator option. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. So once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.